Could we ever colonize the ocean's floor? Sounds crazy, right? Imagine this. You're diving into the endless blue, but this time, you're not just a visitor. Schools of fish dart past you, colorful corals glow with bioluminescent hues, and as you descend, a vast network of structures looms beneath the waves, a city hidden in the depths of the ocean. Now picture yourself waking up in an underwater home where schools of marine life glide past your window. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But what if we could actually make it happen? What if, instead of looking to the stars, we turned our focus toward colonizing Earth's final frontier, the ocean? With Earth's land resources stretched to their limits and concerns over overpopulation, many have dreamed of the possibility of moving to Mars or other planets. But why go so far when we have unexplored territories right here? Colonizing the ocean could address the same problems we hope to solve with interplanetary expansion. More living space, untapped resources, and new opportunities for humanity. But unlike Mars, where we face extreme cold, a thin atmosphere, and limited resources, Earth's oceans are rich in natural resources and protected by the atmosphere above. Colonizing the oceans could provide many of the same advantages we seek in space without having to leave our home planet. Compared to Mars, colonizing the oceans is appealing because it's closer, more accessible, and rich in everything from minerals to water. Living underwater could mean direct access to vast, untapped mineral deposits, new forms of sustainable energy like tidal and wave power, and a stable food supply through marine farming. While Mars is nearly 140 million miles away, our oceans cover more than 70% of the planet's surface, an environment that's practically at our doorstep. However, colonizing the ocean isn't without its challenges. Living underwater means dealing with immense pressure at deeper levels, limited light as we descend, and of course the challenge of developing structures that can resist the corrosive effects of salt water. But technology is advancing quickly, bringing solutions within reach. Submersible habitats inspired by submarines and space modules could provide pressure-stabilized environments. New materials like graphene, resistant to both pressure and saltwater corrosion, could be key to durable underwater architecture. Energy solutions like underwater turbines, powered by constant currents, could keep ocean colonies running sustainably. Advances in food production, such as hydroponics and aquaculture, would allow colonies to produce their own food, while underwater drones and robotic systems could aid in construction, maintenance, and even search and rescue missions. Living in underwater colonies could open up a whole new era of resource accessibility, from mineral extraction to bioengineering with unique marine organisms, advancing both science and technology in ways we can't yet imagine. These colonies could also act as safe havens from natural disasters, with protection from surface-level hazards like hurricanes and extreme weather. But as we consider these benefits, we also need to ask, what would it mean for marine ecosystems? Could we build these habitats without displacing the vibrant, delicate ecosystems that thrive beneath the waves? Would underwater cities create a harmonious coexistence with marine life, or would they ultimately disrupt these habitats? Colonizing the ocean is a bold idea, a scenario that blends possibility with caution. Could humanity, with our technological prowess, learn to live alongside the mysteries of the deep blue? Or would our presence tip the delicate balance of ocean ecosystems? Imagine an underwater world where humans and marine life coexist peacefully. If that future were within reach, would you want to be part of it? Let us know your thoughts and whether you think colonizing the oceans could truly be our next frontier.